Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make food fusion cookies. We'll dive into combining unexpected flavors and textures to create truly unique treats. This guide will help you master the art of blending your favorite cookie styles into something extraordinary. Get ready to experiment with exciting new combinations and impress everyone with your baking skills. It's all about creativity and a little bit of culinary adventure in your kitchen. The first step to amazing food fusion cookies is choosing your elements wisely. Think about what flavors and textures you want to bring together. Perhaps a chewy chocolate chip cookie with a crisp shortbread, or a spicy gingerbread with a creamy peanut butter base. It's crucial to pick two types that will enhance, not clash with, each other. Consider the moisture content and baking temperatures for best results.
Hey everyone, if you're enjoying these cookie fusion ideas, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more delicious content. Quick recommendation. After all that baking, your kitchen might need a little help. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is perfect for keeping your floors crumb-free, especially if you have pets. It's voice-controlled and self-emptying, making cleanup a breeze. Find the link and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Once you have your chosen cookie doughs, the technique is key. Prepare each dough individually, ensuring they are both ready for baking. Then you can layer them, swirl them, or even stuff one inside the other. For example, you might press 1/4 of a dough into the pan, then add the second and top with the remaining first dough. Remember to monitor your oven closely, as combined doughs might bake differently. Now for the fun part. Creative flavor combinations. Imagine a rich chocolate chip cookie fused with a gooey s'mores cookie, or a vibrant matcha cookie swirled with a white chocolate macadamia nut. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. You could even incorporate unexpected ingredients like a pinch of chili powder in a chocolate cookie, or a hint of lavender in a sugar cookie. The possibilities are truly endless.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.